let me show you how to integrate Jotform workflows with Constant Contact. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to integrate your Jotform workflows to Constant Contact. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is jump over to our dashboard, head on over to our workflows workspace, and it'll show us all the workflows that we have available. In this case, I'm going to use this one for testing purposes. So let's go ahead and jump into edit, and this will take us to the workflows builder. Inside of here is where we're going to integrate with Constant Contact. Now, the idea of this is to add the Constant Contact in a section where you want to send that data to. For example, let's go and jump into integrations, search for Constant Contact. It's right here, and let's go ahead and drag it inside. Now, as I mentioned, you can add this at a certain stage where you want to send that data. So for example, if you want to send this data from the beginning because you just need the details from the first parts of the flow, then go ahead and add it right here. But if you need more details from a certain stage of the workflow, add it at the bottom, at a certain stage where you might need it. In this case, let's go ahead and remove this right here. Let's go ahead and drag it inside of here, and let's go ahead and connect it. Here we go. Let's connect it over here, and we're good to go. Now let's go ahead and set up the Constant Contact element right here. So let's complete the settings. Let's go ahead and integrate. In this case, I've already integrated previously, but I'm going to integrate again. So let's go ahead and give it permission to access Constant Contact details with a Jotform. Okay, and here we go. So let's go ahead and choose a list from our Constant Contact account. In this case, my contacts. Here we go. And what details do we want to send over? So from the form that was filled out, we want to send the email to email. Let's go ahead and connect, for example, the name with the name over here. So the first name, and let's go ahead and add a last one. Let's go ahead and do the last name with last name. Here it is. And we can update existing records if needed. That means that if the workflow is submitted again with the same contact, but let's just say that the last name changed or the phone number or the address, it will update it if you set this. If you don't set that up, it's going to create a brand new contact, okay? And if we set this up, you can match the selected fields that it's going to take into account. For example, if the phone number changes, then that's the one that's going to take into account to for the update. Let's go ahead and save this. Here we go. Let's go ahead and preview this. And here's my Constant Contact account. Let's go into contacts. Here we go. Let's go ahead and fill this out with demo data in our preview workflow. Let's go ahead and fill out the form. Here we go. Let's go ahead and submit. And the next stage is the approver. So if it's going to be approved or not. And if it's approved, it's going to go through the workflow process. And if not, it's not going to. Okay. So let's go ahead and set test right now. Let's go ahead and submit. And it's going to continue the workflow process. And one of those processes is sending over the Constant Contact details over there. So we're good to go. The workflow is continuing, but at a certain stage, that Constant Contact kicked in. So let's go into Constant Contact. Let's go ahead and refresh. And here's our contact, Lila Hughes. That was added right now with the workflow process because we added the Constant Contact element inside of here. So it's super easy to integrate Jotform workflows with Constant Contact to send over the contact details over there. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the integration of Jotform workflows and Constant Contact and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.